Imagine you're a space explorer, embarking on a journey not just across the world, but across the vast universe. Space is like a giant, mysterious ocean filled with stars, planets, and galaxies, waiting for us to discover its secrets. Every time you look up at the night sky, you're seeing the light from stars that are so far away, it's taken years to reach your eyes. This is your invitation to a grand adventure, one that stretches the limits of our imagination and knowledge. Our universe is so big that it's hard to put into words. It's filled with wonders that no one fully understands yet. By learning about space, you're joining a long line of explorers who look up and dream of understanding more. Think of this as your map to the cosmos, where planets dance around stars and galaxies float like islands in the vast sea of space. Space isn't just big, it's the biggest thing you can think of. It goes on forever in every direction. Did you know that if you could drive a car upwards, it would take you about an hour to get to space? But to reach the nearest star, it would take over 70,000 years. That shows just how enormous our universe is. In this adventure, you're not just learning facts, you're becoming part of a story that's as old as time itself. Every piece of knowledge we gain about space helps us understand our place in this vast universe. So buckle up, young explorer, as we embark on our cosmic journey. Stars are like the streetlights of the cosmos, shining down on us from across the dark sky. They might look small, but each one is huge and incredibly hot. Our sun is a star too, just much closer to Earth. Stars come in many sizes and colors, from red dwarfs to massive blue giants. Each color tells us something about how hot the star is and how old it might be. Stars are not just points of light. They are suns to other planets that might have moons just like Earth does. Some of these stars have planets orbiting them, known as exoplanets. We're always trying to learn if any of these exoplanets are like Earth, where life could exist. Isn't it exciting to think there might be other planets out there, possibly with life looking back at us? The life of a star is long and fascinating. They are born in clouds of dust and gas called nebulae. Over millions of years, these clouds collapse under their own gravity, get hotter, and start to shine. This is the beginning of a star's life. Eventually, after a long life of burning their fuel, stars die. Depending on their size, they can go out quietly or explode in a spectacular supernova. Imagine being able to name a star. While most stars have scientific names, some have been named by people just like you. Every star you see in the sky has a story. By studying stars, astronomers can learn about the history of the universe itself. Stars are the keepers of secrets of our cosmic origins. Planets are the wanderers of space, each following their own path around a star. Our solar system alone has 8 planets, including Earth, each different from the next. Mercury is so close to the sun that its surface can melt lead, while Neptune is so far that it's a world of ice. Exploring planets helps us understand more about our own home in the universe. Each planet has its own set of mysteries. For example, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot, which has been raging for hundreds of years. Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size, has a thick atmosphere that traps heat. Its surface is hotter than an oven. Planets outside our solar system, called exoplanets, are even more mysterious. Some are giant planets like Jupiter but orbit very close to their stars, earning them the name hot Jupiters. Others might be rocky like Earth, located in what we call the habitable zone, where conditions could be right for life. Discovering these planets involves cutting-edge technology and a bit of cosmic luck. Studying planets isn't just about looking up, it's also about looking within. By understanding the climates, geologies, and atmospheres of other planets, we learn more about our own planet's environment and history. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving the mysteries of the universe. Galaxies are the cities of the universe, each home to billions of stars. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the universe, each with its own stories and secrets. When you look at the band of light in the night sky, you're seeing the edge of our galaxy, a spiral-shaped collection of stars, planets, and other cosmic wonders. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes, spirals with beautiful arms wrapping around them, ellipticals that are round and smooth, and irregulars that look like cosmic blobs. Each type tells us something about its history and how it interacts with its cosmic neighbors. For instance, when galaxies pass close to each other, they can pull at each other and change shapes, a dramatic event that takes millions of years. The center of most galaxies, including ours, has a supermassive black hole. While black holes might sound scary, they actually play a crucial role in holding galaxies together. They're like the anchor that keeps all the stars and planets from drifting apart. The study of black holes helps us understand some of the most fundamental laws of physics. Learning about galaxies is like learning about cities in a foreign country. Each one has its own culture, history, and personality. By studying galaxies, astronomers can learn about how the universe grew and changed over time. It's a way of putting together the pieces of a